Global ISO certification, inspection, testing, technical training for paper and pulp industry and supply chain worldwide. Hello and welcome to URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. The paper and pulp industry is one of the world's most important manufacturing sectors, supporting packaging, education, publishing, tissue products, hygiene products, food packaging, e-commerce, industrial applications, and sustainable packaging solutions worldwide. As global demand for quality paper products, sustainable manufacturing, environmental responsibility, operational efficiency, and regulatory compliance continues to grow, paper and pulp manufacturers face increasing pressure to meet international quality standards while maintaining profitability and competitiveness. At URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, we provide specialized ISO certification, inspection, testing, auditing, technical training, and supply chain quality solutions designed specifically for the paper and pulp industry and its worldwide supply chain network. Industries we serve. Our specialized services support paper pulp manufacturers, paper mills, craft paper manufacturers, writing and printing paper manufacturers, packaging paper manufacturers, duplex board manufacturers, tissue paper manufacturers, specialty paper manufacturers, newsprint manufacturers, recycled paper processing plants, paper converting companies, corrugated box manufacturers, paper packaging manufacturers, paper product exporters, raw material suppliers, and global supply chain partners. Our core technical services: ISO certification and management systems, ISO 9001 quality management system, ISO 14001 environmental management system, ISO 45001 occupational health and safety management system, integrated management system implementation, internal audits and management system improvement, inspection and quality assurance services, third party manufacturing inspection, in process quality inspection, final product inspection, packaging inspection and export verification, supplier quality inspection, production process audits, pre-dispatch inspection services, warehouse and material handling audits, raw material and supply chain quality assurance, wood chips and timber inspection, recovered paper and waste paper inspection, pulp quality verification, chemical and additive inspection, packaging material quality assessment, supplier qualification and vendor audits, supply chain risk assessment, vendor development programs, process improvement and operational excellence, root cause analysis, CAPA implementation, lean manufacturing support, waste reduction programs, process optimization, productivity improvement projects, quality cost reduction initiatives, continuous improvement systems, technical training programs, quality assurance and quality control, internal auditor training, process control techniques, root cause analysis and CAPA, inspection and testing techniques, occupational health and safety, environmental compliance, manufacturing excellence programs. Now, key challenges in the paper and pulp industry. Let us see this. See, the global paper and pulp industry faces several critical challenges: raw material quality variations, rising operational costs, environmental and sustainability requirements, energy efficiency challenges, production downtime, product consistency issues, customer complaints and returns, export compliance requirements, supply chain disruptions, waste management concerns. Organizations that successfully address these challenges gain a significant competitive advantage in domestic and international markets. Now, how URGS International create value? Through certification, inspection, auditing, testing coordination, technical consultancy, and workforce development, URGS helps organizations achieve improved product quality and consistency, better process control and operational efficiency, reduced defects and manufacturing losses, stronger supplier quality management, enhanced environmental sustainability, improved compliance with international standards, increased customer confidence, better export readiness and global market acceptance, reduced operational risks, enhanced profitability and long-term competitiveness. Now, why partner with URGS International? Independent third-party inspection and certification support, experienced industry auditors and technical experts, global standards and compliance expertise, supply chain quality assurance solutions, manufacturing excellence and controls improvement focus, technical training and capability development, support for domestic and international markets, customized solutions for paper and pulp manufacturers worldwide. At last, conclusion: the future of the paper and pulp industry belongs to organizations that prioritize quality, sustainability, compliance, operational excellence, and continuous improvement. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is committed to helping paper and pulp manufacturers, converters, packaging companies, suppliers, and global supply chain partners achieve world-class performance through certification, inspection, testing, auditing, and technical training solutions. For certification, inspection, testing, auditing, technical consultancy, and supply chain quality solutions, connect with URGS today. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.